Grumpy Kiwi Mike.
Oh, this week we're talking about roundabouts. Do you love them? Do you love them? Oh, come on, give way to Grumpy. Jesus Christ! Oh, here we go, another roundabout. Oh, can't you just wait a few seconds? Come on, Grumpy wants to get home. Here we go again, BMW drivers. Round the world! Bloody hell! Look at this guy, this is amazing 2 lane changes. What's this? Oh, pick a lane, why don't you? Pick a lane! Crying out loud! Grumpy's mad! Urgh. Oh, this intersection again. Oh, for God's sake. Oh, camping. Camping, I guess. I don't know. Grumpy's mad. Oh, here we go again. Commodore. Bloody hell. Come on, guys. Just chill out a bit. Ah, bloody business car. Every night. $2.29 for petrol. Jesus! Look at this guy. Not a care in the world. Just pulls out in front of Grumpy. Oh, come on. Quit it! Oh, it's getting hot here too in New Zealand. Anyway, oh, come on. Give Grumpy a chance, why don't you? Oh, look at this guy. Reverses into a roundabout. That's a novel way to get onto the roundabout. Anyway, Grumpy's mad. Grumpy's mad! Oh, buses. You know what I love about buses? Fucking hell. Creates a wall of bus. Jesus. Ah, Grumpy's mad. Urgh. Anyway, that's it. I'll see you next week. Or whenever I get the chance to do more videos. See you later, and if you love it, subscribe. Cheers!